I am here with Crystal Cole, who also plays Patsy.
I'm here that you already know what time it is.
Right, no man problem. For me, I've been single for 7 years. Yeah.
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
So would you say that you were maybe a fan of the show before you started?
I'm not gonna go around you.
You do get to see the relationship between Patsy and Whisper.
Yeah, Kevin is a trip. But it's too dry and too brave. I think she pushes it a little bit.
No one cares. One just dash left and right and center.
Why would you say that? Why would you do that?
They're trained to be tough.
I think there's one person who was like, yo, I had to deal with this loss several times. Please don't bring this up as another theme because we can't deal with our next loss and it's triggering. So I felt that.
What's the funniest thing that has happened on set?
About the moment! Oh God! Your party have some moments. I have to go back and watch them, girl.
What drives your passion for
Brokenness.
I'm broke, nigga! I'm broke!